Okay, guys, we are playing Jailbreak today. I am just now joining, so it may take a few minutes to load, like it always does. Oh, and look at that. Can't really see it that good right now. $30,243 is the money that I have right now, so. Yeah. Just gotta wait for the stupid thing to load. Load. There we go. Okay, should I be prisoner or police? Oh wait, this is a freaking live stream. I can't ask you guys. Okay then. Lag. All it does is freaking lag. I'm using a microphone for the speaking, so I might as well just do this so I ain't gotta go la la la. Okay, guys. You guys know, usually, like on the two videos that I posted, it always lags at least a little bit, so whatever. See here. There's not that many police. Ooh. Let me get your key card. Key card. Card for money. Card for money, woman. Jerk. I said freaking card for money. So who doesn't want money for a key card? That's like awesome. Card for money. Card for money. The stupid lag is getting on my freaking nerves. This is like. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. Someone's gonna like freaking like take this thing away. Hijack. No! Cheat. About time. Come on, bro, go. Go. You gonna go, bro? As you can see, I'm wearing a t-shirt right now. I'm also wearing my pajama pants. So, yeah. Where's this dude going? Because I just took a shower and it's only 5:01. Whatever. Bruh. Better freaking wait. Come on, go to there. Freaking time. Oh, wait. What is wrong with this freaking thing lagging? Probably because, oh, freak, I have so many freaking things open right now. This is not funny. Let me X that out. Maybe that'll help. Maybe it'll help if I take this off. This looks like it might be working a little bit. Come on, let me down. I'm going off my parachute. Yeah. 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 I just flopped to the ground. Let's go get ourselves some good clothes on instead of this stupid jumpsuit. Like, yeah, for real though. Jumpsuit. Get out of this stupid jumpsuit. And if you guys are new to my channel, I haven't really made that many videos. This is only my third one. But please subscribe and please like this video. Yeah. Like and subscribe, please. Car here? Come on. I'm only a very beginner YouTuber, so whatever. Let's see. Okay. I got about 14 minutes left in this video here. What the crap is wrong with this? Y'all, like, you gonna drive? About time. Y'all, what is up with this freaking lag? This sucks. Like, for real though, this... Yeah, guys, this is like... probably one of the most crap videos I've ever done. Because of this stupid lag. I'm really good at driving, it just... doesn't look like it because of this stupid freaking lag. Friend for money. What? What you want, boy? Go! About time! Go to this garage over here first. Oh, yeah, I've been talking. Like, what freaking good YouTuber doesn't talk? You see my skin there? Yeah, I got some cool skin. I did have a police skin, but I just changed it to rainbow, y'all. And I got a level 2 engine, so that's good. I can't believe I freaking got $30,000, though. I made like $10,000 selling people key cards. Like, I gave him a free key card, and I'm like, guys, I know I said free key card, but can I please have some money? It's cool if you don't want to give me some. And they're like, oh, yeah, sure. I'm like, lucky me, y'all. People are some nice dudes. This stupid lag! This is like the freaking most crap video I've ever done. It's freaking retarded. As you can see, I actually got some Roblox toys. This dude's from Meep City. It's a pretty cool Roblox game. And this woman, I don't even know who the freak she's. I don't even know what the freak she's from. My sister got her for me. Okay. That's right. Get in, bro. That's right. Yeah. We going to the museum, y'all. Yes. What the freak is your problem, bro? Get back here. We're going to the bank. This lag is making me do a crap video. Oh, what's? Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, fuck. Oh, okay, I halfway just cussed there. Sorry about that. I'm just like really mad at this freaking lag right now. What the crap is wrong with this stupid freaking? I'm a good driver, guys. I think I'm just go to the freaking gas station or something. This freaking oh yeah. Oh. Oh crap! Is that a freaking cop? Oh, okay. Thank God. My brother's in the background. Just wait for the J store to open. Can I have some money, please? I just put like. Bruh. This is some effed up. Can't freaking get that money. He's giving me some. Yeah. Girl, move. Move.
Hit her. That's right, hit her.
Okay, I'm coming. I swear if that freaking opens. I swear if that freaking opens and someone else gets that freaking money. Oh, okay. I only got like 3 minutes left to do this video, guys, so. Sorry about this lag and freaking crap. It's freaking stupid. Guys, move so I can get this dude's money that he just generously gave to me. And if I don't get it, then he apparently generously gave it to you guys. Effed up ditch. Yeah. Come on. Come on, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Come on. Did I get that money? Dang it. Come on. Yeah. Give me that money. Give me that money. Give me.
On the side of
Freaking mother. Freaking mother effort. No, gimme. Punch. Idiot. No offense, but like for real, I freak do not know how to freaking get money in this game. For freaking. Oh well, a $50 paycheck. Oh wow, it's so amazing. Okay. Put my face back up here. So you can look at my beautiful face with my beautiful down hair. Yes, about. Oops. What was that? No, you little mother. Oh yeah, us. Yeah. Come on. I hope this lag does not